Hey y'all, and welcome to our channel. So I'm sure you guys have been wondering where we were this week. This is where we were. We were camping with my family. My parents rent out this cabin, and they've been doing this for about the last 3 years. And my entire family comes out to stay, and it is so much fun. We are at Beavers Bend State Park in Oklahoma. It's about a 3-hour drive from us, so it's not too terrible, but it is a little piece of heaven out here. The water is crisp and clear and cold, and there's a nice breeze. I think it's like a high of 82 today. It feels so good out here right now, y'all. And we come out here and enjoy our time with my family, play board games, go swimming, go out on a boat. We do a lot of fishing, and we just enjoy our time as a family. So the only thing that would have made it better is if Ryan was out here, but he didn't have the time to take off from work. So this is where we've been all week, and I'm going to share a little bit of that with y'all. So here you go. Here is our cabin. Wave, boys. So it's 3 levels. There's a room up there at the top, then that level that we walk in over there, and then that bottom level down there. So we have to have plenty of room for our big old family. We're having a good old time. Don't you love that porch that goes all the way around? That's my favorite part. I did almost trip. I'll take you guys in down here so you can see. Hopefully it's unlocked. All right. Boys' room. Can't you tell? Foosball. Here's where one of my kids is sleeping. We have a laundry room back here. Pretty simple. This is where me and the boys are staying. It's a mess in here too, y'all, but we like it. It's nice. There's an air mattress from one of the kiddos. All right, I'll take you guys upstairs. Oof, it's kind of scary going up here, but kitchen. My parents' room is back there. My mom's asleep. We're not going in there. Some of the bathrooms. Nice big bathroom. Oh, it's all like black bear theme, which I love that. Yeah, here's the kitchen. Dining. A little bit of a TV. My brother's over there playing Xbox. So then this goes out here to the porch where the boys were. And then up these stairs, there's another bedroom up there and a bathroom. Yeah, so it's a nice size cabin. AC is wicked good inside. And then we come outside. Porch. There's Madison and Oren. You say hi? And there's a hot tub with a brother in it. Wave, Caleb. Yeah, this is nice. This is. What are you listening to?
You Are Not Alone from Into the Woods.
Nice. He's got great taste in music. All right, and look, guys, like the porch goes all the way around the cabin. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? And it is a crisp 82 degrees. It is not humid one lick either, which is the best part. Caleb he's like cooking himself. There's our neighboring cabin. Isn't this awesome? Yeah, this porch goes all the way around. This porch is my favorite part of this cabin, y'all. Obviously the kids have been over here playing. All of our stuff drying.
Mommy.
Hold on, honey.
Okay.
And then, this is where I like to come out in the morning and have some coffee. I have been treating myself to coffee this week. I'm on vacation. I'm spoiling myself a little bit. But then when I get back home, it's back to the grind. I'm about to plant myself right here.
What if something's in it?
It's beautiful under here. this nice view. Oh, love it out here, y'all.
Well, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. I'd like to welcome everyone aboard the 1863 CB Huntington train. My name is Eugene, and I'll be your engineer today. I use that whistle to clear the intersection, and also to call my deer up, so I want y'all to keep your eyes out for deer, okay?
You gonna look for deer? You let me know if you see any, okay?
I'd like to welcome everyone to Beavers Bend State Park. Beavers Bend got its name from Mr. Johnny Beavers and the bend in the Mountain Fork River. Mr. Beavers was a trapper and a fur trader. In the late 1800s, he moved to Indian Territory, present-day Oklahoma, to expand his business. Shortly after arriving here, he met and fell in love with a beautiful Choctaw Indian princess. Now, they were soon married, and as a wedding present, her father, Chief Green McCurtain, gave them 3,000 acres of land. Today, that 3,000 acres of land is part of Beavers Bend State Park. See those deer right there on your right-hand side, and up ahead of us just a ways, we got a couple more white-tailed deer. Oh, got a baby fawn over here, too.
Oh, look, yep. Oh. Oh, look at the baby.
Squirrel over there on the left.
Oh, there's two of them.
Where's another one? Oh, right there, one. Yeah, right there on her right. Baby call it white.
Yeah.
I'm
Get your
sorry
ticket.
you can see the deer on this ride. Maybe next time we go, we get to see the deer. Thank y'all.
Woohoo! You won!
Hold on, I gotta get out first. No, we were just coming for the day.
Where do I get the cotton candy?
You gotta wait for him to go give the winning ticket to them, and then you'll go get it. Okay? Let's go tell Mimi.
Alright, bye.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
It's a big bag.
It is a big bag. Are you gonna share it? Are you gonna share?
Can I eat it right now?
Yeah, you can eat some right now. Let's go ask Mimi what she wants since they didn't have a pretzel. Woo-hoo, big winner.
Can you put this in here?
Yep.
So can we use this for later?
No, it's all used up. She just wanted you to keep your ticket. Hey, y'all. So, I went for a walk on this gorgeous Tuesday afternoon. It is 82 degrees. It's not humid at all. There's a nice breeze. It feels amazing outside. We definitely couldn't do this back at home, go for a walk this time of day, or get to do it by myself. But the cabin is full of family and more than willing babysitters, so the kids are all there hanging out with cousins and uncles and aunties, enjoying themselves. So I went for a little sightseeing walk around like the cabins, like this little walk where all the cabins are. So I just wanted to talk with you guys a little bit about some stuff that's been going on this week. I know I haven't posted any videos this week, but that's because I'm out in the middle of nowhere. And I'm super thankful for this trip. I originally wasn't gonna go. I don't even know why I wasn't gonna go. I love spending this time with my family, and this is a trip that they do every year. I think that's the dog that bit my brother last year when he was running around here. And that's probably why it's tied up now. You know, people out here just kind of like let their dogs roam. Well, yeah, not if they're gonna attack the people that are here staying in cabins. Then you kind of gotta handle that. So Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah, I don't know why I wasn't gonna come. I think I was just gonna try and take time, you know, to get stuff done this week home with Ryan. But I'm super glad I did, because it's really helping me clear my mind, get my focus back on things that they need to be focused on, like God and my family and the things that are priorities to me, and not just obsessing about this TTC journey that me and Ryan are on. So I know y'all know that we posted our last pregnancy test video and it came back negative. I actually ended up taking another pregnancy test before I came back, because, is that my dad? I think that's my dad coming up, hold on. Yeah, that was my dad. He was updating me with what everybody was doing. Him and my brother are headed to go get a campsite. They're gonna be camping out by the river the rest of the week. And then I think my sister is taking her daughter, my niece, out to the train ride again. So I'll probably go do that with them. I'm about to walk around the corner here. But anyways, back to this TTC journey. You know, I've been talking a lot about it with friends, and we're gonna be trying some new things this week. And I know a big factor is stress. People always telling me, you know, stressing about it doesn't help. It can get your hormones imbalanced and all kinds of stuff like that. So as hard as it may be, I really am trying not to think about it so much. Just letting God's will be, let nature take its course, just continue loving my husband. And I mean, we're gonna try some different things to try and help it out, because I feel like I have a hormone imbalance since going through our loss and my miscarriage. I've been talking to friends about it, and I just keep hearing that phrase in my head, you know, like a watched pot never boils. So it's like, why I'm obsessing over it, thinking about it, tracking, blah, 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 blah. I'm stressing myself out to the point where it's not gonna happen. So I'm really glad I took this week, especially because I started my period right before we came. And every time I start my period, it's a huge bummer, y'all. Like, just such a wave of emotions aside from the hormones, which is, hey, guess what? You're still not pregnant, you know? But this is really what I needed this week. Getting fresh air, getting exercise. I don't know if you can tell I'm a little out of breath now. I've been doing these hills. I'm headed up this big hill right now. So, but I'm glad I took this week off. I wish Ryan was here. That would have made it a lot better if he could enjoy this with us. But I've been filming everything to vlog for you guys, and so he can feel like he was here too, you know? Anyways, so that's just my little thoughts for today while I'm walking, just chit-chatting. So I'll film more about the stuff that we're up to, and you know, there's lots more to come on this TTC journey, and we are not giving up by any means. So this is only our 4th cycle, which isn't a lot. I know that's not a long time, especially, I know there's mamas out there that have been trying a lot longer. It's long for me and Ryan. We've never really tried to have a baby like this before. And then of course, going through our losses, it just feels like we've been waiting over a year for this healthy baby, you know? So, all right, y'all, I'm back at the house. I'm gonna see what's up.
They have really sharp claws. Your way. Here you go. Now they're all gonna wake up.